86.65 kilos. And Turkmenistan's Serdar Jorakulyyev at 89.6 kilos. So he comes in just 0.4 kilos under the limit.
Mexican in red and how do you say that?
Wow.
Turkmenistan in blue, right?
Yeah, Turkmenistan's in blue. A little bit of a cheap shot.
Yep.
I feel they touched gloves and he punched right afterwards.
Yeah.
But sometimes that's a mistake to touch gloves. I don't always love touching gloves after the bell, personally. It's not that I don't want to respect my opponent, but it's not. Once they say the bell starts, you protect yourself at all times. And people could touch your glove, or they might just hold their hand out for distance, and you think, oh, it's a glove touch, and then they kick you underneath or punch you. So.
I like the fair play of the touch gloves, but you gotta know that the other guy must be bad intentioning.
Hey, yes, I saw someone comment in the comment section. They don't like that we don't know what we're commenting about. Mohsen, 5-time Wushu world champion. Yes, I mentioned 2019. I was there commentating as he won gold back then, but he was unable to do the 2023. So we were referring to that. But yes, thank you for that information there. 5-time champion. That's why we see him going on. He's been doing this a long time.
Champion?
Yeah, he's amazing.
Wow, man. It probably means that he never lost a world championship.
What's that?
It probably means that he never lost any championship that he was part of it.
Yeah, he's a winner. Oh, wow. And the fighter rolls so far, he runs into the monitor for the coaches.
Yes.
And they might have an issue. They broke the legs on the feet? I don't know.
No.
But they are back at it.
Okay. Good takedown for Mexico.
So far, pretty close bout, but I think Mexico's up maybe just a little bit. Hard to say.
So fatigue is already on the late eye. Whoa!
That didn't even look like very hard punch, but it was the placement.
Yes.
He put it right down. You see him arc it down just a little bit into the chin.
Something happened. He's hurt. He's hurt, man. I guess this
Is that the gap, or?
It's not the gap.
Blue fighter is gonna win.
Winner of the first round, blue side.
Is it because of the late eye?
Oh, yeah.
2 times fall off. Sorry, guys, we missed that. I was focusing on the punch.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah, he had the first time off, so yeah. Bang, yeah, he gets hit. And then it's the leg.
See,
yeah. He needed his arm. He needed his arm to get himself to roll back. I thought he was still up, but from we're on the opposite side, so we couldn't see him needing the mat.
Athletes prepare for the next round.
Yes, thank you, Jamal, in the comment section. Praising for Mohsen, our fighter in the last bout. Yes, he is awesome. He's saying he just lost in the final in 2009 in Canada. And after that, he won all of the golds. Yep. But he wasn't able to do World Wushu Championships in 2023, like I said, because of the problem with the visas for the Iranian team, which is unfortunate. We hosted in Texas, and we wanted to see Iran there because I'm sure we probably would have seen Mohsen with another gold medal at that. But Iran was able to go to the Wushu, the Sanda Cup, though, and do well there as well. And here we see a beautiful takedown from Turkmenistan. And we've got another ring out, which seems to be a good strategy. Serdar doesn't want to have to play very long with this. Mexico, we don't know how well he recovered from that right hand, and that's going to be it. Turkmenistan taking it.
Winner of the second round, blue side.
So,
And this is it.
yeah. And Mexico looks in pain. I don't know if he tweaked his ankle on the way down as well. Oh, what a shame. I hope he's okay.
I've seen it so many times.
And
A fighter falls down off the platform, and whenever he touches the yellow area,
It's a crash pad. You can land really hard, but you still, if your foot is in a weird angle, it's actually so spongy you can roll an ankle.
Yes.
And we tend to see it again with these 90 kilo, 100 kilo fighters.
From Turkmenistan.
and gets even worse if you have a flat feet,
Yeah.
like I do, and Mexico guy does.
Yeah.
Now,
See?
to our next bout. Men's 100 kilograms.
It rolls.
On red side, Nixon
Easier.
Michel from France.